Welcome to our exploration of the future of AI in online payments. As we delve into 2025, let's see how chatbots are changing the way we transact online. As of 2023, AI chatbots have become an integral part of our online payment systems, offering instant assistance and streamlined transactions. By 2025, expect remarkable advancements in AI capabilities, allowing chatbots to handle complex queries with greater accuracy and efficiency. Chatbots will revolutionize customer experiences by providing personalized interactions and simplifying the payment process. AI will play a crucial role in enhancing security, enabling chatbots to detect and prevent fraud effectively during transactions. With integrated multi-currency support and language translation, chatbots will cater to a global customer base seamlessly. The rise of voice-activated payments will allow users to make transactions simply by speaking, making online payment easier than ever. Through chat interactions, personalized marketing will thrive, leading to better customer engagement and satisfaction during payment processing. However, implementing chatbot payment systems comes with challenges, including customer trust and technology integration. In conclusion, the landscape of online payments in 2025 will be transformed by AI chatbots, paving the way for efficiency, security, and an enhanced customer experience.